Hey guys, so the Nokia 6 2018 is practically here, and yeah, in this video we are going to do the most requested speed test comparison, which is between the Nokia 6 2018 versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro. In case you don't know, the Redmi Note 5 Pro has the latest Snapdragon 636 processor, and this is the 4GB RAM variant, while the Nokia 6 2018 has the Snapdragon 630 processor, and this is the 3GB RAM variant. In future, if HMD launches the 4GB of RAM variant, I will be doing a speed test again, but as of now, yeah, let's see which one wins this race. So first off, booting both of the smartphones in 3, 2 and 1. And the Nokia 6 2018 is an Android 1 variant, so it will get the latest updates. And yeah, I have installed the official 8.1 Oreo on the Redmi Note 5 Pro for the fair comparison. So let's see which one wins this race. Here's the Nokia tune. Okay, so the Redmi Note 5 Pro clear winner, while Nokia 6 2018 was a little bit late here. Not a huge difference at all. Alright, so no applications are running in the background and both of the smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Also, there is no network on either of the smartphones. And I've only installed the applications that will be used for testing. So first off, dialer in 3, 2 and 1. The Redmi Note 5 Pro clear winner, guys, while the Nokia 6 2018 was of course a bit late. Messenger. The Redmi Note 5 Pro was a bit faster. Maybe I am wrong, but let me know in the below comment section, but I think the Redmi Note 5 Pro was first there. Now let's open the camera in 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so the Redmi Note 5 Pro clear winner, while the Nokia 6 2018 was a little bit late. Okay, so now let's open the settings in 3, 2 and 1. As you can see, the animations are pretty slow in the Nokia 6 2018, while the MIUI 9.5 is way faster, and both of the smartphones are running on the latest 8.1 Oreo. So yeah, that's a fair comparison. Now let's open few third-party applications and games. Let's start with few social applications. First off, WhatsApp. There we go. As you can see, the animations are pretty faster in the Redmi Note 5 Pro, while Nokia 6 2018 was a little bit slow here. Now let's open the Facebook in 3, 2 and 1. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro already loaded the Facebook, while the Nokia 6 2018 a bit late as always. Now let's open Twitter in 3, 2 and 1. So that was pretty fast in the Nokia 6 2018. Now let's open Discord in 3, 2 and 1. So as you can see, the Redmi Note 5 Pro clear winner. Now let's open Subway Surfers in 3, 2 and 1. So the animations are pretty slow in the Nokia 6 2018, as you have already seen. The Redmi Note 5 Pro clearly wins again, while the Nokia 6 2018 is still loading up. Let's see. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, let's open PUBG. There you will see the real difference. And this is the Chinese version of PUBG, which has the latest desert map. So yeah, let's see which one wins this race. It won't be a shocker if the Redmi Note 5 Pro wins, because the Snapdragon 636 and 4GB of RAM, of course, while the 630 and 3GB of RAM. So here we go. The Redmi Note 5 Pro already started loading up PUBG, and here we go. The Redmi Note 5 Pro clear winner again, while the Nokia 6 2018 is still loading up, and there we go. Yeah, now let's do the RAM management test of both of these smartphones. Let's see if any smartphone has refreshed any applications or not. So first off, let's open Facebook, Twitter, camera. Okay, so the Nokia 6 2018 actually loaded up the camera application again. Subway Surfers, PUBG. So both are there. So as you can see, the Redmi Note 5 Pro is a clear winner, guys, while the Nokia 6 2018 is a bit slow as compared to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. and it may be because of the Snapdragon 630 in front of the 636 and 3 GB of RAM in front of the 4 GB of RAM. But just look at that pricey smartphone, guys. 17,000 rupees. You can get 6 GB RAM variant of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and the 6 GB RAM variant of the Redmi Note 5 Pro will of course kill the Nokia 6 2018. So 17,000 is an insane price for the Nokia 6 2018. I won't recommend anyone this Nokia 6 2018 because 17,000 you can get 6 GB RAM variant of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, or maybe in future Moto G6 Plus is also coming, so you can get 6 GB RAM variant of that smartphone also. So as you can see, the speed difference is clearly visible. So, and you guys were asking for the fingerprint speed test of the Nokia 6 2018 versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So here we are. So both are faster. The Nokia 6 2018 is a bit late. Nokia 6 2018 was a bit late in the fingerprint speed test. So I will be doing a speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 5 Pro versus the Nokia 7 Plus if I get that smartphone. So stay tuned, and I will be doing the battery charging test and the gaming performance test of the Nokia 6 2018. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get the first news, and peace out.